pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, then we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Is mommy patient while she waits for her packages?
No.
We've been waiting for FedEx to come all day. I want my Trendmood box.
It takes time, okay?
Yeah, it takes time.
Jeez, you're impatient.
I'm impatient.
You got to chill, lady. You got to
Okay,
chill.
don't squeeze me. Kayla, can you give mommy kisses? Please. Give me a kiss. Don't you love mama?
I love you.
Kayla, give mommy a kiss. Oh, don't cry. I want kisses. You gonna give me a kiss? No, not in the mood. But I really like it when you give me kisses. You looking rough today. We have to fix your hair again. Not in the mood. No. But I love you. I love you. You're so precious. Can I fix your hair? She's not in the mood. Oh, please don't cry. You want me to rub you? You want a massage?
Oh, God.
Yeah, does that sound good?
Oh, God.
Let's fix your hair.
Oh, God.
Oh, yeah. We need to fix that hair.
Oh, God.
Let's do it. Kona. Oh, come on. Don't stick your tongue in my mouth. Kona, where you going? Hey. No, you're not having the steak. No, 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 no. Get your butt over here. Kona.
We can do it out.
What do you say, Kona?
Oh,
Do you want me to give you a piece of steak?
Yeah, give
Yeah?
me a piece of steak. So
What do you
she can
want?
shut up.
What do you want? What do you say? Do you want to... Oh, where has it go? What do you say? Okay, okay, okay. I'll give you one. Oh my gosh, your breath is horrible.
Well, because she's a dog.
Oh, there we go. That's my Kona baby. Yeah, she wants more. Ah. Hey Gems, it's Karen. Welcome back. Guys, if you're new, hi. I'm really glad that you clicked on this video, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I just love you guys. I have an unboxing today. I have the Trendmood box. This is the Trendmood times First Aid Beauty, and it was a $39 box. So we're going to unbox this today, and I've got some information to share. Yeah. Okay, let's open her up. This is how she comes. Okay. Let's see what we got. All right. Let's start off with the cleanser. I'll put the prices of these products individually on the screen for you guys. This says Pure Skin Face Cleanser. It says it removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime, safe for sensitive skin. Now that's the one thing that I really like and have seen is that this brand says it's safe for sensitive skin. So a lot of us have sensitive skin. So I have been drawn to this, and I've been using a couple of their products for a while. I'm excited to try the cleanser though. So we'll see how that works. Let's just open it up. There is a safety seal, but it's a really creamy kind of cleanser. So I'm looking forward to trying that. Okay, the next thing I see are the facial radiance pads. Guys, I love these. I have the smaller version that I've gotten in many different subscription boxes. And they do help even out your skin tone. They get rid of like redness and stuff, and they'll even help if you've got like lines or, you know, like hyperpigmentation, stuff like that. That actually works. I use these, like one of them every night before bed. Then I put on my serum, my moisturizer, my eye cream, and all that. So these I love. I'm really happy to see this in here. Okay, The next thing I see is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% alpha hydroxy acid, safe for sensitive skin. You see that on every one of their products, safe for sensitive skin. Okay, I'm all for body scrubs. This one I didn't open. I did not. There's a safety seal on it, but I am looking forward to trying it. Have you used this yet? Because I'm curious. I haven't seen any of those in subscription boxes. Okay, so let's move on. This I have read about, and I'm a little concerned. Now, it's the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. This product's been out for about 7 years. Now, you would think if they've kept it for 7 years, it's got to be a good product, right? Well, I went to their website because I was curious on the reviews on this product, and there were overall great reviews. But there was something consistent that I had seen in the 26 bad reviews. People had an allergic reaction to this product. So, am I happy I got it in the box? Yes, but do I want to take a chance on using it is the question. Some people said they had breakouts. Some people said that they just had redness that wouldn't go away. Other people said it burned, and it was after a couple of hours that it happened. And they were consistent, those reviews, in saying it. Some was 7 years ago, some was 5 years ago, some was 3 years ago, 1 year ago. I looked down there, and I'll put a few of those in here, but I don't think I want to take a chance on this. But I really want to know, would you take a chance on this product? That, I definitely want the answer. Put that in the comments below. Okay, the last thing I'm super excited for, it is a brand new product. The Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. That's what this is. Again, I'll put the prices on the screen, but I'm excited because anything with collagen in it that helps the elasticity in your skin and makes you glow, I'm all for it, you know? Let's see what we got here. This is a really thick cream. I don't always like thick creams for the simple fact that you can break out. And they promote sensitivity. Like, that is, you can use this for safe for sensitive skins on all their stuff. So that's why I'm really, really curious into whether you guys would actually try that product. I mean, you could do a patch test, I suppose. And maybe I should. This just feels really soft. So I'm excited to try this. This is something that is brand new. There's not too many reviews out on it yet, but the ones they do have are pretty good. It says you can apply it to your face and neck in the AM and PM, use alone or over a serum. So yes, I love the LMS Marine Collagen Cream. That is pretty amazing. Does soften up the skin, does soften up any lines. And now I'm looking forward to trying this one. Have you used it yet? If you have, would you let me know your experience down in the comments below? Okay guys, so let's recap what I got here. In this $39 box, I got the facial cleanser. I mean, these are big sizes too. So this is actually a really good value, even if I can't use that one product. We got the body scrub, the Radiance pads, which I cannot live without. I have to have these, have to. Then we got the Ultra Repair Cream, which is also another big jar. And then we got the brand new collagen cream. So which product, if you were to get this box, would you be most excited about? I'm curious. I was most excited about this new collagen cream. That for sure, especially when you're over 40. Yeah, you get excited about these things. Okay, guys, that's what I have for you today. I would really love it if you would put your thoughts, comments, everything down below. And then if you would like this video, that would be great. Share it out if you would. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would love it if you take a chance on this channel. We do a lot of exciting things here, and I'm looking forward to getting to know all of you personally. I enjoy that so much. Every morning I have my coffee, I read my comments, and I love to respond back. So thank you very much for joining me for this video, and I will see you guys real soon in another one.